Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have some midweek magic over at Walgreens, Walmart, Dollar General, and Meijer, and tons of freebies that I know you guys all love and appreciate. So we're not going to waste any time and we're just going to hop right into it. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or possibly hit the hype button. We're going right to Christmas with deals and savings because this is our Christmas, isn't it? Now, I just wanted to show you guys something that I saw in the store just because if you love Hello Kitty, this is called an end cap for all the new shoppers, which is a display at the end of an aisle, and that is lovingly known as an end cap. I know a lot of you millennials, just like me, love Hello Kitty, or younger shoppers or older shoppers. How adorable is this display that isn't even touched? Nobody's even looking at it, and I cannot wait till this goes probably 75 or 80% off because I think I need to buy the entire collection. Do you guys not agree that they sell the most adorable stuff over at Walgreens? Like so much better than CVS. Okay, let's get right into the first deal. I said what I said. You're going to need this booster. A lot of us have been getting prints and this has been printing out for us. A 5-pack when you spend 15. For this one, you're going to grab the Venus Ladies and the Olay gift set. These are $10.49 this week, 30% off, and we have a $3 off for the Venus and a $3 off for the Olay, 2 digital coupons. Plus for the Olay, this has been floating in and out of IBOTTA, and it's a $2 back, so you'll get this the one time, so make sure you have it loaded. And sign up for IBOTTA today. It is such a tremendous app. I know a lot of us really enjoy using it for bigger savings. We're doing this deal specifically in store. Grabbing 2 of those gift sets, it's $20.98. Get the cashier to scan your booster. You have $6 in magic melting off. You're going to pay $14.98 with your debit card. If you have other register rewards, say from Tresemme or Colgate, throw it in for a smaller out of pocket. You're getting back a $4 register reward for buying 2 gift sets, plus $2 back from IBOTTA. Take a breath, plus another $5 back for that booster. So it's $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per, which is fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend 15 to earn back 5, but you can definitely use register rewards if you might have some. Okay, so this morning we got a 10 back when you spend 45 on select P&G products. Go and load both of these digital boosters like right away because I think they have potential for really good deals. A lot of us have the 10 back when you spend 40, which is a multi-use booster. So I think, spend 45 to earn back 20. It's completely what it's about. So go and check your digital coupons folder right away. Load this. Hopefully you got the same one as I, and it's not going to start until the 21st of December. Another deal is this Kiss Life magazine. I think it's like a chronology of the band. If you have somebody on your Christmas list who's a big Kiss fan, I think we all have one. It is $14.99, and Shopkick's giving back $12.50 in points, which is basically like $5. So the final price point for this is $9.99. I know it's not everybody's thing, but I wanted to point it out because often we don't get tons of deals for these sort of collectors magazines, but just a thought. Another deal we got to give a lot of love to is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home or the Walgreens brand freezer bags in various sizes. It's 3 for $2.79 or 93 cents per box of 20 bags. If you like to use these for food storage or just any kind of storage or for arts and crafts projects, stock up. I absolutely will. I mean, it's so cheap. It's cheaper than Dollar Tree and it's of a good quality, very similar to Ziploc in my book. And now we're going to step over to the Dollar General. Yesterday, which was Tuesday the 16th, my store, all of the fall stuff was still ringing up at 70% off. If you can never track down penny items and you're just like, hey, even for 90% off, I'll buy some of this stuff. We have some paper plates for like 10 cents or 30 cents, dish towels for 20 cents. If something's $1, it's now down to 10 cents, and so on and so forth with the math. Scan everything 3 or 4 times because some of this stuff isn't going with the fall, but some of it really is. So if you like to decorate for fall, I absolutely would go and tiptoe and look around. They usually have all this stuff now situated towards the front. so they can just remove it quickly so it doesn't penny out at your store next Tuesday. Okay, so now we're over at Walmart and we actually have 3 freebies, and I'm going to discuss how to do this because I know some of you might get really confused. The first freebie, or the first 2 freebies, you can do with Walmart Cash, meaning you're going to put an order in through the app, pay for the stuff, drive to the store and pick it up, and then you're going to get the amount back. And then the Stir Real Fruit, you must do that one in store. So let's start with the Dove Whole Body. This is like a deodorant cream. It's a really good one, and it's on clearance right now for $5. It must be this exact scent or flavor or whatever you call it. I know some of you call it flavors too, which I think is kind of funny because that's what I call it, although you would never eat deodorant. Okay, so this is on clearance right now for $5 in a lot of markets, and we have a $5 Walmart cashback for that. You have to press the plus button to make sure that your Walmart cash is claimed, and you can do this once per store account. So you'll pay for that, drive to the store, pick up your order, and then you're going to get that money back right away. And you could do the same thing with this Ensure Max Protein Shake for $3.98, and we have a $3.98 Walmart cash rebate that you can claim, and then once you pick it up, you can get it. So you'd pay a little bit out of pocket, just under $10 for the 2 items, and get it back. Both of these products, I will link them in the description if you just want to open up your Walmart app and just clip them right away and then go pick up your order a little later today. Just a bit of convenience for you guys. They will be itemized in the notes field. This deal you must do in store. It is for the Stir Liquid. So it's just like a enhancer that you put in water to liven it up. Find it in the regular drink section. With IBOTTA, you're getting $3.28 back. I did look for it in the Walmart cash and I could not find it. And this is crazy expensive if you're just doing it for a curbside pickup. So really do this one in store. It's a little bit easier. But 3 quick and easy freebies. I think all of them would make cute little stocking stuffers if you wanted to do a very practical stocking. So go and make these deals happen. Final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. There is no sister store, so apologies in advance. Another freebie by Kotex. Open up your shop and scan 2 of these $1.19 pads. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. It essentially makes 2 of them completely for free. There is no overage over at Walmart, but if you put 2 of these into your shop and scan, you'll see if the coupon is still attaching. And they also have the Santa Bucks back this weekend as well. So if you have a higher ticket item and you want to have a little bit of savings, go and load that one as well. Obviously, cleaner and bread and butter products for your household are not part of Santa Bucks. Let's not forget that. And if you're trying to get a gift on the cheap, I would definitely utilize it this weekend. That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.